Million people across the country dealt with a winter storm warning last night and this morning. In fact, the snowfall sent records in many parts of the South. And this morning it was New England getting hit with snow. This is a look at the roads in Portland, Maine. The storm is the first major snowfall of the season for people living in that area. We are dealing with no snow. The mountains are thirsty.
They are.
We need it.
You know what's funny on social media? All the people who had ice scrapers and things in Alabama and Georgia were transplants from Colorado. And they were all saying, we have our ice scraper. And we're the only ones. But we don't really need them here right now, unfortunately. We do need some snow, but it is gorgeous out there. This is a picture looking down from our rooftop toward the stadium. It was beautiful weather to watch a game, and our temperatures were in the low 60s today. Not only around Denver, but for the Eastern Plains, upper 50s for Fort Collins and Greeley, also 40s up in the high country. So we'll have 20s and 30s for overnight lows tonight. It will continue to be sunny tomorrow. Really no major storms heading our way this week. We're in a pattern that's going to keep everything kind of mild and quiet here over the next week. Our temperatures at this point are in the 40s and 50s. We have 53 for Lakewood, 50 for Arvada, and 48 for Aurora. If you're in Castle Rock, 44 degrees for you. And look at this skyline here, just off in the distance. Beautiful clear skies, 59 downtown and 53 at DIA. Our wind's only about 3 miles an hour, so it's been a nice, quiet, mild day for us. As you see across the state, no rain and no snow. It's very dry, and we have a lot of catching up to do with the moisture here in Colorado, but it looks like at least this week we're not going to do that. 27 degrees tonight, mostly clear skies. It'll be some beautiful weather, though, over the next few days. For the most part, temperatures in the 30s overnight, and then tomorrow afternoon we'll have highs in the upper 50s, just a smidge cooler than what we had today, thanks to a quick moving, very weak cold front. So you even see as it passes through, nothing really changes here in Denver except the direction of the wind. So tomorrow it still will be sunny and mild, and that high pressure is really overseeing the entire project here in Colorado. Even though that front's going to push on through, we'll still have those nice clear skies overhead, just a slight cool down with those afternoon high temperatures. Now we'll also have, as I mentioned, the direction of our wind and some gusts at times, which is why we have a high fire danger here with a red flag warning for the Eastern Plains and up toward Fort Collins as well. All day tomorrow from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. So keep that in mind. High fire danger for the Eastern Plains tomorrow afternoon. And our highs mostly in the upper 50s here around Denver, mid 50s out toward Akron and Greeley. Still 40s and 50s for the higher elevations. So our highs tomorrow here around 55 in Greeley, 58 for Fort Collins, and 58 for Boulder. If you are headed out early tomorrow morning, of course, for work, 30 degrees, 7 a.m. We'll have 38 by 9 a.m. and 45 by 11 a.m. Maybe getting in a few turns. Some great looking weather as well at Loveland Ski Area. 20 degrees by first chair. It'll be sunny and breezy, and 40 degrees by last chair, cool and clear. Now, our 7-day forecast keeps us really kind of in the same ballpark here with our temperatures, mostly upper 50s and low 60s, and we'll hang on to the sunshine all the way through the end of the week, our bright spot being on Tuesday, and then Thursday, Friday, and Saturday you see mid to upper 50s, overnight lows in the 20s and 30s, and that slight chance for rain on Saturday that we did have yesterday looks like it's not headed this direction, so we get to see more sunshine, guys.